Have you just unboxed your Westinghouse Roku TV? Well, if you're not mounting it, let's install the legs or the TV stand so you can get it ready for setup. So after unboxing, you'll find two TV legs and along with that, two sets of screws included in the box. To install these legs, now you'll only need a Phillips screwdriver. Now before you begin, make sure to place the TV on a flat surface in a well-lit area with plenty of space to work. So first, you're going to locate the stand holes underneath your TV. Just grab one of the legs and then just align that leg screw cutout with the correct hole. After that, insert the screws right here and just grab your screwdriver and tighten them securely in here. You can hold the legs with both your hands if that's comfortable for you. Now, if it's difficult to hold the leg and the screw at the same time, here's a simple trick that we have tried in our other leg. First, what you're going to do is just insert the screw into the leg first, then line it up with the mounting hole underneath the TV. This makes it much easier to tighten the screw with your screwdriver. When you're finished, make sure both your legs are firmly attached. And then, simply, carefully stand the TV upright on the flat surface and check if it's stable before continuing with the rest of the setup process. And for the complete step-by-step Westinghouse TV setup, you can check out our full setup guide. That's all for today. See you at the next one.